Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening Google Maps and signing in so your saved places and history are available. Once done, make sure location/GPS is enabled. This lets Maps prioritize nearby options. Tap the search bar immediately to begin. Don't browse menus first. If you're on mobile, grant location permission when prompted. On desktop, allow location in the browser. These steps speed results and let you use voice search, filters, and distance estimates right away. Next, type or speak a precise query so Maps returns focused results. Include street addresses, business types, or brand names. Once results appear, use filters like ratings, open now, or delivery to narrow choices. You can also zoom and pan the map to limit the search area. Drag until you see the cluster you want. Make sure to check the list view and map pins together. They complement each other and reveal hidden options that a single view might miss. Finally, tap a pin to open the place card and review directions, hours, photos, and the call or website buttons. Save or share the place, start navigation, or add it to a list. If information is wrong, use the report option to submit corrections. If you can't find results, clear the app cache or browser cache, re-enable location services, and retry with the exact address. This usually fixes mismatches and returns accurate, up-to-date results.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.